food and free processing after rebate. Call 1-800-338-9190. Don't wait. Call now.
Promised, Father's Day celebration continues here on Kababayan LA. Last Monday, we talked to Anthony Castelo. Ngayong hapon naman, isa pang batikang Filipino actor naman na siya ring tatay and grandfather na ba? Or malapit na?
Malapit na. Ayun na.
Michael De Mesa, welcome back to Kababayan LA.
So nice to be here. Thanks for having me again.
You know, I think I remember the first time I had you here, we were also talking about Father's Day. Was that 2 years ago?
A year ago.
A year ago,
yeah.
When you were first contemplating about moving here.
Yeah, bagong salta.
Oh, how has it been since?
It's been great. Super adjusted. Feeling ko matagal na ako nandito. Ganon.
So gusto mo na talaga? Kasi yung iba after 1 year gusto pa rin umuwi eh.
Gusto ko talaga. I mean, it was a conscious choice, di ba, na I really wanted to try it out here. So I knew what to expect. So I was ready for it.
Okay.
So far, so good.
I think the not so good thing about this is you're away from your sons who are in the Philippines.
Yeah.
How is it like to be a dad who's away from them?
Well, it's different kasi my boys are big na.
Yeah.
So I think it would have been more difficult if they were still small. But since they're big na, they're adults. You know, Ryan just got married and he's gonna have a daughter soon.
You're gonna be lolo.
I'm gonna be lolo. And then Jeff was also busy with his career. AJ is in Vegas going to school. So parang mas madali. Although it's different when we get together, like Ryan was here recently, so he stayed for a week, and then he stayed with me for 3 days, came to visit.
But the thing is, you were a very young dad when you had them also. So you practically grew up with them. Parang barkada kayo.
Correct.
May mga pitfalls yun eh. May maganda kasi then you get to play together, hang together. Medyo you still catch each other's drift.
Yeah.
Pero the bad side is, how do you discipline your kids when you're also young and you also are medyo committing the mistakes that they were committing?
Right. Well, the discipline part, ano na yan eh, tapos na yan eh. Because you can only discipline your kids up to a certain age in a certain way. So now that they're adults, hindi mo na talaga pwedeng pagsabihan eh. You're just there to give advice, to remind them how it was when I was growing up, and you just, feel na you hope that it doesn't happen to them. But if it does, I mean, they have to learn from there kasi it's their life na eh. Yung ganon.
Hindi ba parang, do you feel helpless sometimes na?
Sometimes. Aminin ko na parang minsan may mga bagay na sana hindi nangyayari, pero hindi mo, you can't do anything about it eh. Kasi parang you have to understand kasi pwedeng ibalik na lang sa'yo yung, bakit? Ikaw.
Right.
Diba? So,
what about the ouch moments when yung katulad yun, bakit ikaw? Yung sinasagot ka, gaano kasakit yun?
Masakit kasi mistake mo yun sa past mo eh, diba? Mistake mo. Tapos, isang bagay na hindi mo na makorek sa sarili mo, so gusto mong i-correct sa mga anak mo.
Right.
But then again, I also get to think na it will be their way to discover and to grow as persons if they experience it themselves.
They say that
so, kumbaga tanggap na lang.
Lunok na lang ng lunok. But they say yung relationship mo sa dad mo eventually becomes your relationship with your sons. Ganun ba nangyari sa'yo?
With my dad kasi, he was here in America for the longest time. So, yung growing up years ko talaga, wala siya. From 10 years old to 17 years old, wala siya.
Okay.
So, when he came back, when I was 17, daddy na ako.
Right.
So, ibang level na rin yung relationship namin. And then, when my parents reconciled in 86, he's been there all the time. So, kumbaga, my dad tries his darnest best to be a role model sa amin lahat. He tries his best to influence all of us.
Ayan. Totoo ba yon, Daddy? Your dad is on the phone. Eddie Mesa is on the phone. Hello?
Hello, I heard that.
He heard that. Welcome to Kababayan, LA. Eddie,
a poor role model.
A poor role model. Eddie, you know, if there's one advice that you want to give Michael or a Father's Day message to him, he's come a long way raising 3 sons. What is it? What would you want to tell him?
Well, as much as I'm trying to do also, forget what is behind and looking forward what is in the future. And whatever mistake that was done in the past that cannot be reversed, we just have to accept that and just let go. And just to be there, to be the best example as we can be to our children. Because it has been said that what you say is not as much as taught than what you do. In other words, by example, the daily life is not what you say, it's what you do. Okay. Well, if there's one thing that
you want Michael to take from you as a dad, now that he's a dad and he's going to be a grandfather also, what is it?
Wow. Well, just be there for them.
Always be accessible.
Yeah, always be accessible.
All right.
And give them the advice as best as you can. And of course, we cannot do it on our own. There is, of course, a higher power that we can like God, that we can draw from His Word, so that we can apply it to ourselves and teach to our children.
Anthony Castello also talked about that, Abba, God the Father. Michael, what is your Father's Day message to your dad?
I thank you, Dad, for being who you are, and as you said, being there for me and for all of us, actually. I really, really appreciate it, and what you're doing now, I still take my hat off to you, because at 71 you still work so hard, and I just wish I could be in a position to be able to help you so you can just retire peacefully. But I love you, Dad, and thank you for everything. It's true that He's there for all of us anytime.
Okay. And that is so sweet. Thank you so much, Eddie Mesa, for joining us today.
Thank you, Can I say something to Michael? Michael, I just want to say that, I appreciate very much what you're doing and what you're trying to do. And thank you for being you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of what you're doing. And I will always be here for you. I love you.
Thank you, Dad.
And happy Father's Day to you.
Same to you.
All the fathers that are listening.
All right. Thank you so much. And hopefully next year for Father's Day, we have your dad here. And you and maybe one of your sons, and maybe all of your sons.
Great.
Father's Day message to all the fathers out there.
To all the fathers out there, just be the best dad you can be. Always remember that we are here as fathers to be a guiding light. We don't own our children. We have to let our children grow so they become the persons God wants them to be, first and foremost.
Very well said. Happy Father's Day to you.
Thank you.
And
I can't say that to you, Janelle.
Not yet. and not ever. We will be back. Lakers versus Celtics, Game 7. Don't go away.
Ang Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's at ng bagong McCafe Espresso Drinks. McDonald's na ba ang inyong bagong coffee house? Ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso Drinks ay mabilis, masarap at mas mura pa kahit saan, kahit kailan.